Okay, this is section 3-5, parallel lines and triangles. So let's do a vocabulary review to identify the part of speech for the word alternate in each sentence below. So you vote for one winner and one alternate. So this is referring to a thing. So this is a noun. Your two friends alternate serves during tennis. This is what they're doing. So this is a verb. You and your sister babysit on alternate nights. So this is describing something. This is an adjective. Write the converse of this statement. If it is raining, then I need an umbrella. So the converse would be if I need an umbrella, then it is raining. All right, so vocabulary, try. Related word is triple. Try is a prefix meaning three that is used to form compound words. So in this class, we're going to use it for triangle, tricycle, tripods, or other examples. Okay, so true or false? A tripod is a stand that has three legs. That is true. A triangle is a polygon with three or more sides. This is false. A triangle is a polygon with exactly three sides. A triathlon is a race with two events, swimming and bicycling. That's false. It has three events. In order to triple an amount, you multiply it by 3. That's true. All right, so parallel postulate. Through a point not on a line, there is one and only one line parallel to that given line. So I can draw one line through P that's parallel to L. Okay. Triangle sum theorem. The sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So in order to find the missing angle measure, like right here, all you have to do is subtract the given angles from 180 degrees. So 130 from 180 would be 50 degrees. This is 45, this is 90. The remaining amount must be 45. Okay, so use the triangle sum theorem. So here's the diagram. So measure of angle A from the diagram is 59 degrees. The measure of angle of ABC is going to be 43 plus 49, which is 92. Measure of angle BA plus ABC and C has to be 180 degrees because that's a triangle. So 59 plus 92 plus C equals 180 degrees. So C equals 180 minus 59 minus 92, which equals 29. All right, let's find measure of angle BDA. So BDA, measure of angle A, plus the measure of angle ABD, plus the measure of angle BDA has to equal 180 degrees. So 59 plus 43 plus x has to equal 180 degrees. So x equals 180 minus 102. So x equals 78. All right, so measure of angle BDA plus the measure of angle BDC has to equal 180 degrees. So x plus y equals 180 degrees. So y equals 180 minus 78. So y equals 102. So z plus the measure of angle CBD plus the measure of angle BDC must equal 180. So z plus 49 plus 102 equals 180. So z equals 180 minus 49 plus 102, which equals 29. Okay. Triangle exterior angle theorem. So the exterior angle of a polygon is an angle formed by a side and extension of an adjacent angle. So for each angle of a triangle, two non-adjacent interior angles and its remote interior angles. Okay, so angle 1 here is called the exterior angle of a polygon. It is the sum of the remote two interior angles, 2 and 3. Okay, so we say that the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. Okay, so we're going to draw a box around the number of each remote interior angle and a circle around the exterior angle. So 3 is the exterior, 1 is remote interior, 4 is exterior, 5 is remote interior, 6 is remote interior. All right. So, two angles of a triangle measure 53 degrees. What is the measure of the exterior angle at each vertex of the triangle? Okay. So, two angles of the triangle measure 53 degrees. You see how these two here are marked as being the same? So that must be the 53. So that means that has to be A. So this is going to be X, this is going to be Y, this is going to be Z. By the triangle sum theorem, the sum of the interior angles has to be 180 degrees. So A is 180 minus 106, which gives me 74. All right, so X is then going to be A plus 53. So we have 74, which we just solved, plus 53, so X equals 127. Y is also A plus 53, so that's going to be 74 plus 53, which gives me 127. And Z is going to be 53 plus 53, which is going to be 106. Okay. So, do we understand what we're doing here yet? Can we find measure of angle A without using the triangle exterior angle theorem? Explain. Well, we might. So angle ACB and angle DCB happen to be supplementary angles. So find the measure of angle ACB. That's going to be 180 degrees minus 80, which equals 100 degrees. So then we can use the triangle sum theorem. Measure of angle A equals 180 degrees minus 100 minus 30, which equals 50. Okay. So let's see if we can prove this. All right, so we know that the measure of all three angles has to be 180. So the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 2 is 180 degrees. By the linear pair postulate, measure of angle 4 and 2 equal 180 degrees. Well, look at this. We can just do a couple substitutions, so I know that the angle 4 has to equal the remote interior angles. Okay. So using the triangle sum theorem, (180) minus the measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 3. Since a linear pair is supplementary, (180) minus measure of angle 2 has to equal measure of angle 4. Then, by the transitive property, measure of angle 4 equals the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 3. And that is it for this section.